Mama Rachel Ruto, our keynote speaker, Lord Hastings, members of Parliament, the speakers of the National Assembly, good morning. God is good, and all the time. Nisalimiani kwa Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Your Excellency, we want to request the Speaker of the National Assembly, very respectively, not to incite our women who have insurances to get funny ideas. Because I don't know how appropriate that speech was all about. Luckily for me, mine is a pastor. I don't think she can be incited. Your Excellency, we are happy to be here. And for those probably who doubt my faith, because I don't have a baptism name, I was actually baptized. My name is Geoffrey. It's only along the way, when I was Geoffrey, I was an administrator to rule over people. When I decided in life to change my job description to serve the people, I needed to change the name so that I have a change of identity in my new job description. And for you to know that I'm really a Christian, you have the evidence. I'm married to a pastor. The Speaker of the National Assembly, I beseech you, and I'm grateful you invited me here. But when you invite me for an occasion, I request you to be considerate. Punguza kizungu kidogo, ndio niweze kuelewa ile ambayo unasema. Your Excellency, the theme of reconciling with God and men could not be more appropriate for our country. I want to give a testimony that the President, on ascending to the high office, has led this country in forgiveness and reconciliation. Most of us who work around him had great difficulties with that approach. But along the way, he has persuaded us, and we are now aligned, that reconciliation is the way to go for the betterment of this country. The President has exercised magnanimity in victory.